What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use multiple virtual desktops in Windows 10. Let's get right into it. So, first things first, I'm going to show you the simple way to create a new desktop in Windows 10. So, what you're going to want to do is go down into your taskbar here and then find where it says Task View down here in this corner. Click on Task View, and this is what you should see. So, if you want to create a new desktop, go ahead and press this plus button. So as you can see, we have desktop 3. If you want to get rid of a desktop, you can press the X button. So we are going to go ahead and create a new desktop by clicking on this plus button. And we can switch to the desktop by clicking on it. So now we're in our new desktop. So to prove that this is a different desktop, I'm going to go ahead and open up Firefox. So in this desktop, we are in Firefox. And if we go to the other desktop, you can see we are no longer in Firefox, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my music folder right here. And as you can see, we can switch back and forth. If you would like to quickly switch to the other desktop, press down your Windows key, your Control key at the same time, and then press the left and right buttons. This will quickly switch between your desktops, and in order to tell which direction you need to go, you press your task view and you can tell this is the leftmost and this is the rightmost. We can create one more, and this is the rightmost, this one will be in the middle. So to go all the way to the right, press Control, the Windows key, and the right button once, and again, and now you're in the rightmost desktop. Press Windows and Control left to go to the leftmost desktop. If you would like to create a new desktop with your keys, you're supposed to press the Windows key, the Control key, and the D key at the same time. And as you can tell, we should now have 4 desktops. And again, Windows, Control, and the D key, and now we should have 5 desktops. Just like that. And that is how you create multiple virtual desktops. I will put up a video in the future on how you can actually change where your desktop folder is, so instead of having virtual desktops in Windows, you will have actual real desktops in Windows. So be looking out for that video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Anything from you guys helps. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.